C++ OpenGL setup for VS Code. Let's go. First link in the description. Download GLAD. Choose C++, OpenGL, the OpenGL version, profile and extensions you want. Tick Generate a loader and generate. Then download the zip file. Second link in the description. Download GLFW. Choose pre-compiled binaries for your system. Now structure your repository. Add GLAD's include and source folders in VS Code. For GLFW, add the GLFW in the include subfolder to your VS Code include folder. From the subfolder of the compiler you use, drag the system binary to the root of the project and the library file to a lib folder in VS Code. Put your main file in the source folder. Now tell the compiler about this structure in .vscode/tasks.json, where you specify the include and lib folders locations. Third link in the description. Tasks.json and main.cpp sample files I use here. Test the sample code and it should build successfully into a black window. If it doesn't work, mainly check in tasks.json that the compiler location is correct and that the command works according to your repo structure. That's it.